Hi, my name is Gia. I'm studying culinary arts. The reason why I chose CIA is because I went to other schools. When I went to other culinary schools, they were unorganized, not together. But more importantly was that the books that they used were all CIA books. And I couldn't understand why would I go to a school that's reading a book instead of going to a school where they wrote the book. And even Boku sent his son here because he knows that this is a good school. And that's something that you have to take into consideration when choosing a school. My first big cooking memory would be the first time I cooked for my husband. I had made him some lamb chops, some smothered lamb chops, and they were horrible. Basically, it was a recipe for rosemary, Dijon mustard, and like a gravy, and it turned out so horrible. And I was like, I can't believe he ate it, because I didn't eat it, you know what I'm saying? But my husband ate it. And I knew from then that I had to cook him a good meal because he deserved it. So I started researching recipes. I started, trying out things from there. So every night we would have something new. It definitely got better from there. People started asking me, like, can you cook this? Can you make this for my, baby shower? Can you make this for my wedding? And my friend came over and she says to me, like, do you have any leftovers? And I'm like, what do you mean, do I have any leftovers? You know what I mean? She's like, do you have any leftovers? Because people will pay for your leftovers, G. I'm telling you, people will pay for it. And I got like a little bit scared, but I said, you know what? Let's try it and see what happened. So that Friday, I said, let me just get a few things and see what happened. And I sold out in less than 2 hours. And then it was like, all I did was go up from there, and they would call every day to see if I had food. And I'm like, yes, this is something that I can actually do. My future plans after finishing culinary school would be not only to start my own food delivery system, it will also be to start my own food truck or fine dining restaurant in Jamaica, Queens, because we don't have any in Jamaica, Queens. We have them in the city. People travel out to the city, Astoria, and stuff like that to go. But I feel like Queens is ready for our own fine dining experience, and I'm ready to give it to them. Leaving my 2 children at home to actually pursue this career was a big challenge for me. But I knew in my heart that once I finished this, I'm gonna completely give them a better life than they ever would have had I not gotten this education. This is the Princeton of schools, of culinary schools, you understand? And that is a big deal, and the fact that I'm going here is even better. I plan to make this school proud, and I say about 10 years, I'll be back as a chef instructor.